what's up everyone, welcome back to another video on Max Commentates. So today I opened YouTube and watched a video saying that Meowba released merch and I was like, whoa, I can't miss that. So yeah, I dug a little bit deeper and I found her merch, or his merch. And I'm not making this up, she released a Meowba sexual flag. Like, what the fuck? You know what? Meowba sexual? No. This is the biggest troll in existence. But even if it isn't the biggest troll in existence, I can tell you that I would rather be guitar sexual than become Meowba sexual, like for real. Do you see the big hole in the guitar? It can perfectly fit my pee. And it's also $30, like who the fuck has $30 spare dollars to spend on Meowba merch? Like I could buy as much paint as I can with those $30, paint it over a wall, and watch it dry instead of clicking add to cart with a Meowba flag. This honestly looks like something I could use to rub my ass with after going to the toilet. Oh my god! This is unbelievably bad. I don't know who the fuck made it. It has to be the Discord server. Like, she or he hosted a merch art contest and this somehow got nominated. Like, are you guys brain dead idiots? Like, not you, not the fanbase. This fanbase is cool. I love you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like and subscribe to the channel. Do not see this type of shit again. Also follow my Twitter and Instagram at Max Commentates, and I'll see you all later. Peace!